Cookie, it's raining out. I'm not sure that you want out. Okay, fine. But it's raining and I'm leaving. So I almost forgot to leave. Did it stop? Oh no, it's still slightly raining, but only slightly. Anyway, hello everyone, welcome to the 17th? It's the 17th, I think. Something like that. Welcome to the 17th of May. Time to go to class. It's raining out. I need to get in the car before the camera gets wet. Anyway, it's Tuesday, which means regular Tuesday things for the most part. Like me getting in this car and driving and going to class for 4 hours and then coming back home probably because I have shit to do. So long story short now, I was editing a lot this morning. 2 vlogs, a bonus video, working on a third, not out yet, plus assistant editing Robert Kopp still, because I still have to get that ready. I don't think I'm going to be able to have a rough cut ready to show tomorrow, but that's okay. I mean, I also need to get Tom back to do the voiceovers, so I'll need to call him and do one of the sound stages at some point, probably early next week, so I can actually get this shit done. Yeah, but I've been working on a few things this morning. Also, the train is in 19 minutes, so we really need to get down there, which would help if all of these cars would stop. And after this small Ford, we're fine. Woo. Okay. Yes, but we are heading down to the train station as per, well, just about always nowadays. Yeah, because it is time to go and do things. Time to go ahead and do things, and I've got to get shit done. I don't know what's really going to happen today for the vlog. This might be a pretty uneventful vlog because of just the fact that I really just need to get shit done, and I really don't think I'll be hanging out downtown, but who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I will. We'll see later on, because well, who the fuck knows anymore? Not me, that's for certain. Yeah, but I also have to keep reading this book now because, well, the F. Scott Fitzgerald book I read yesterday, I had to read that even though we actually didn't have a quiz on it, but this next one is What Makes Sammy Run, and there will be a quiz on that, and that book is 3 times as large as the F. Scott Fitzgerald book, so I really need to spend like all week reading this thing. Which is why I'm going to be reading it on every train ride, and probably still have to find some supplemental time to read it, so this is going to drive me up the wall. Pretty typical stuff for the most part. Pretty normal things. I really just wanted to stay home today. I was fairly tempted to not even go to class today and just stay home and continue working on everything. But that would not be the responsible thing for me to do for the moment. Plus, I'm not sure if Professor will take away points for the first absence or not, because apparently, even though it's university policy that you get 1, apparently, according to the syllabus he gave us week 1, first absence is still 5 points. So, not sure exactly what's going on there, but regardless, I have to head to this class, get it over with, probably come back, and then start editing. Or edit from down there, because I can edit from down there, but not the best decision in the world.
9 minutes, guys.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
The Paso days.
This reminds me of the good old Paso days.
Liz, how about you? Just sitting there literally watching the clock waiting for Paso way back in the day.
Well, to be fair, like 97% of the time, she didn't get there in time.
No, it was very, very close, though. She would come in at like 13, 14 minutes after noon. And it was very, very close, and we were always
like there was like 1 minute left.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was always like, she would come in at like 12, 13, 14 after, and we'd be like, damn it. And then she'd always blame like the elevator.
Yes, she would. She would always blame the elevator.
The difficulty is set at 0-0.
It's after class now, and I'm trying rather humorously to run Minecraft on a Chromebook And if you're like, well, how is that possible? It's because I'm actually remote desktop into my main PC at home, in the same vein as I can do when I'm editing things. But you know, I can apparently actually play. The frame rate as you're seeing is, well, somewhere between borderline unplayable and god awful. But the biggest issue is just the mouse, because I can like push the mouse wherever I want it to go. My frame rate is at 0 right now, but once it comes back, you'll know that I just pushed it up and pushed it down. So it should land in about the same position, but well, once it comes back, we'll see where it actually ended up.
Hey, Nock.
Yeah.
Have you ever hit a cave in Minecraft that is at 0 difficulty?
No, I don't think so.
Alright, so glitch.
Not that I'm complaining.
Pretty nice to not have to always fear for your life. No, actually, this is pretty boring. I'm lying to myself. I'm lying. Much lies.
Okay, yeah, well.
Sorry.
It's coming back, actually. Hi, Athena. How are you doing?
Sorry, the random rant. Apologies!
Yeah, I'm sliding my finger just a little bit back up and down, and the camera is just,
Having a party.
it's spinning in circles. Yeah, that's about how today is going. Summary of my day in a nutshell right there, that. Hello, puppy. You came up to me after I started recording. You obviously want to be on camera.
Obviously. I mean, it is Athena, so.
Yes.
Yeah. Another one of these foggy nights, I guess. I'm going to have to run the wipers. Anyway. Hello? Lock? There we go. Back to my car. Way home. Time for, well, home. Because now that class is over, I have to get back to editing. Got lots and lots and lots of editing to do. And by the way, that new slate that you saw pop up at the beginning of the video, yeah, I designed that today. So, that's new and happening, I guess. I wanted to change up the old one. This one is going to be, well, not that much. This one's going to be a little bit more consistent now, so I don't have to sit there and try to finagle it. Because if you notice, the day counter on all the other ones would kind of not be super precise because it always snapped itself to the center. And I would always have to rearrange the slate so that it locked to the bottom of the, or to the lower right corner of, well, I used the title safe, but basically of the text plane. But yeah, so I went ahead and fixed all of that up. So now it should be, well, I like the design more. Yeah, I think it works well. So, yeah, but I designed that today because I was screwing around with Premiere, and I haven't liked the one that existed for a while. Because that was the one I designed when I started doing this again, because I lost the templates for my original iteration of the vlog, which is why even the old vlogs that I upload still have one of the two new titles now. Because I guess after this, I mean, the April ones already have slates, but if we get into May of last year, or when we get into May of last year, that one will also use the new title slates. So yeah, it's just kind of funny seeing how the vlog evolves. Because I did like kind of having the two separate slates like I did before, where it would be like the first day would pop up, and then the actual, or like during the first iteration where it would be like the day and then the vlog day number would pop up afterwards. Actually, it didn't come up and down. That's a newer design. It like slid in from the side, I think. But yeah, regardless, that's how they were originally. And then up until May, you had it where they would bounce up, well, it wouldn't come up and down. It would start in, go down, and then it was on two lines instead of having two separate ones. But the thing with having two lines is then you have to center it. And when you center text in Premiere Pro, it it moves the box around. There's no way to like set an anchor point to the box so it locks to the bottom window, and if there is, I don't actually know about it. But yeah, so I was finagling for the past, well, since I started the vlog again, with getting the vlog dates to try to be, match, and it wasn't as consistent, so I just decided that I think this actually looks better, the one that we have right now, because this way, the day, like the actual numerical date that it is, like today is the 17th of May, so it'll pop up and say Tuesday, May 17th, 2016, or it already did in one corner, and then the other corner is whatever day number this is, and this way that one is always locked to the bottom right, and the actual day itself is always locked to the bottom left, so that I don't actually have to sit there and rearrange the template every time I make a new date. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. So we're gonna use that at least for a little while. Maybe I'll design a new one for June if I don't like that one. But for the moment, we're gonna rock and roll with this one. So anyway, let me cut to inside. Actually, you know what? No, I don't really have anything else to show tonight because it's just gonna be me editing. We'll try to do something interesting tomorrow.